This video will show you how to replace the brake pedal pad on a Pontiac Grand Prix. This will be located under the driver's side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate your brake pedal pad just underneath the driver's side dash. Now to remove this rubber pad, you have to make your way along the back side. You're going to find there's some edges you can try to pull on and roll this out of position. If you have a hard time doing it by hand, you can use a small pocket screwdriver as necessary. So now as we look along the back side of the brake pedal pad, you can see the ridges that we need to try to get underneath. Now you can either do this by hand or with a small pocket screwdriver, whatever's easiest for you. I'm going to be reaching down along this lower area here. I'm going to start pulling it out and away, and we can separate this from the brake pedal. Slide that off of there. Now, prior to installing our part, of course, we want to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting surface. So we're looking at the brake pedal. We'll wipe this down and confirm it's not rotted or damaged in any way. That looks good. Let's get ready to install our brake pedal pad. Let's have a quick look along the back side. Now in this area, we can see where we have to slide the brake pedal into. It goes inside of these ridges. We have to make sure it's properly seated. This is a safety concern. So let's get our brake pedal pad in place, starting along the bottom. Bring it in. And now we'll roll it up into position. Now you may find you have a hard time stretching it over the brake pedal. Of course, this does need to be a tight fit. You can use a pick if necessary. There's one side. We're just making our way over to the far corner now. Now we're just going to double check all the way around to confirm we're properly seated. This brake pedal pad should not move around in any way. This is a safety concern, as I mentioned. Okay friend, we finished our installation. We already double checked to make sure we're properly seated. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and take the vehicle for a road test and test the functionality. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.